Day 2 here today, baby. We got the motor build. Make sure you guys watch the other one. We got the GP1 over there. It's time.
Glad to see you can make it today. 1 o'clock in the afternoon and you're just getting here.
Yeah, I'm ready.
The engine was already built.
I did this morning. You were asleep.
Another engine. Hey, yo, we're building another engine.
What's up, dude? Hey.
Yeah. Hey, I'm buying this Tio from this guy named.
For the Jets, it's a 222. We did switch that out. Yeah, I'm just gonna toss this out.
It's expensive. Mandelbox got that stuff. I told him it was like 300.
That old now, how much is that? Fucking lower.
Got the fries on the floor. Good.
Delete. Motor's going in. Alright, I've been going in on the RC1. Right now about to hook the water pump up. Got a few hose connectors right here, hose clamps. And just had to run to the local store and grab some fittings right here to make this tee off for my reservoir. And now it's time to put this water pump on. Everything else is ready. Bottle's hooked up. So just did all the electrical. Got the switch 12 right here for the water pump. Alright, water pump situation is finished. Lines hooked up, back wheels on, brakes all hooked up, everything's tightened, carbs on, new fuel lines in there. About to throw the pipe on right now. So, gonna mount this big ol' Malossi MHR pipe. Oh, she got rust. Alright, pipes in there, springs are on. I just need to take this die grinder and do this little part of the exhaust. Almost every exhaust I've had is like this. It's always a little off, but we gotta hit this one too. This one's quite a bit off. And then throw the silencer on, and we should be able to get this thing its first little kick. So everything else is on right now. Kind of a mission putting this all together. So much little pieces more than it looks, just because like just how this complex this motor is, Piaggio alone. So I'm going in. We throw shock back on and get busy. All right, pipe is on after some minor difficulties. We're pretty much ready to rip at this point. So we're gonna got the plug in there. Got this plug right now. We're just check spark. We have spark. Do we have start?
You'll want it. Oh, there. Go ahead. Oh yeah.
Ah! It's sparking. Good test.
Alright, give it a shot.
Choking it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sure.
Nice work, man.
Yes, sir.
Once. There we go.
Alright, time to start this thing up. Let it get a little heat now. We got coolant, we got everything in there.
Sure. Right. Here, I'll take over. I'll be camera boy. So we got this magical man right here that just finished slapping all of this. Look at this fucking... It's broken.
Stock temp gauge is actually going to work.
That would be really cool. Or if you could get it to work. Is there a way to get it to work?
We just wired it in. I'm going to see right now.
It's not what?
Is this even going to have power to it without the electrical system? Like, would it actually be accurate, you think? It probably hasn't got hot enough to
It's cold, feel the head.
I'm really dying. Brandon.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna just pick it up so you can hold it. You want to put it on your shoulder?
Well, upside down on my shoulder.
Upside down? No, just put it in your hands like this. No, put your hands forward like you're holding the baby.
Oh my
Where am I
God.
gonna grab it?
Underneath the case?
Well,
underneath the case?
Back, dude. No, this ain't happening.
No, he can do it underneath,
This
just like
ain't
that.
There you go.
Yeah, the other one like right here.
You got it?
What the heck is going on?
He's got it.
That's how you get dropped on his
He's
bike.
got it.
Here. Okay, here.
Take a photo. Take a pic.
Do some squats, Paul.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Paul?
He wants to set it down.
Just ask for help, bro.
That has to feel. All right, we got RC1 running, built over here. This is day 2, first start. We're gonna ride this thing tomorrow, though.
Here, do you want to actually like maybe?
It's time, baby.
I want to get it out of my hair first.
All right, here she is, RC1 GP1. You saw last night we got this thing running. Now we got to do a few more things to it. So we're pulling it out right now. Gonna drain all the coolant out of it to be able to put in this Plini temp gauge real quick because I don't have a temp gauge set up at all in this. I was gonna try making this stock one work, but it still doesn't really give you an exact temp. It kind of just shows you that. So luckily we're here in the flesh at Screw Swap Shop, so I went and grabbed this Plini temp gauge right now. We're gonna throw in there. No kickstand on this bad boy, so she's leaned up against the dumpster right now. But we're gonna drain this coolant, drain this fuel, because we're gonna run a shutoff valve too. Put the fuel in the gas can, and here we go, boys. I just threw in the new little harness for the new temp gauge for the Plini one. Gonna clean some stuff off because I got coolant everywhere now when I drain that. Put in a little manual shutoff petcock. All right, I was gonna puncture a hole in this diaphragm, but I just got this from the shop over here, and I think this might work perfectly. So if I can put this into the gas tank. Oh, that's loose. Oh, I don't know about that. Actually, it's kind of loose.
Stole his camera. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and head over to our page. Like, comment, subscribe to Scooter Swap Shop.
Figured out all the fuel situation. I had to run to the local store, grab this little thing to run as a petcock. Got a filter in there now. Just wired in my headlight, so now I got that, switch 12, and then also put in the Plini gauge. So I ran most of my wires to the Plini gauge right here. So now I just need to get the extension for my temp to go back, and I can run a tack, which the tack has to be grounded, so I have to make it ground for the tack. After that, coolant, and this thing should be ready to start up again. Celsius, so I want to show read the instructions. This bike vibrates so much, everything. Alright, we have to take this thing for a little test ride here, so I'm just throwing the plastic on. I'm going to throw the seat on and see if we can't give the GP1 its first little ride.
The runner's motherfucker gonna fill up.
Very nice.
I like how you install that.
Right? Yeah. She's assembled full, complete Derbi GP1. She needs some body work right here. She needs a little love right here, and right here. But there she is. Looks almost completely stock. Hey, you guys, what are you doing over there?
Oh man. Look for a photo, bud.
Your thumbnail's me getting my thumbnail?
My thumbnail is you.
That's so good. awesome though. Man, does everything on this bike rattle though. Motor itself, solid. Bike itself, not solid, dude. It feels like a Ferrari motor and a Tao moped. Turning so stiff. I feel like my tire's flat. Let's see. So the tire was flat, and that's probably why it felt so weird in the front. Oh yeah. Makes sense. Oh yeah. That is way better now. Dude. Thing rips.
You already wheelied it like hello.
That's all you do, Paul. Fly.
Let this baby warm up. Give her some kicks. Boys, it's been real. We built the RC1 here, but it's time. Oh, stepped in a freaking puddle. What a way to go out.
Fun, but it has not been real fun.
What? Just carrying Derbi GP1
right.
motors across the
Just
street, playing
jaywalking.
water.
Let's go.
Dude, this road is so much fun this summer.
Changed the rollers to 6 grams all the way around. I had 6.5s, and then I shimmed the belt a little bit, and I couldn't downjet it because I didn't have the right jets for this carburetor. So. Oh, she feels a lot better though, that's for sure. Well, that was 80 miles per hour right there. So bad though. The clutch is not engaging hard enough. Pliny belt in it, and it almost seems worse now compared to the Malossi belt. I might have to try that Malossi belt again. Or I need a lot more shimming. Well. This will conclude the part 2 of the RC1. First ride, first start. We're back home. MOPBOYZ headquarters. We got the GP1 RC1. We got some more messing around to do with it. I'm gonna pull the plug out and check the plug, make sure we're looking all right now for the break-in of this motor. In the next video, I want to do a lot more riding on it, and I wanted these 2 videos to be focused on kind of just the build. We're definitely gonna see the boys' reaction on this and get Chuck to ride this thing. So I'd be curious to think what Chuck thinks of this compared to like the Dio strokers. Derbi GP1 RC1. Thanks for the love on the last video. Make sure you guys slap the like button on this video, and again, make sure you check out the description down below if you want to grab some MOPBOYZ gear, support the channel. That's gonna do it, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one.